Okay, we're back. Let's see how we get on. Qualifying didn't go quite as I had hoped, so we're going to have to do some work here, I think. Let's just see if we can maybe make up some spots. Okay, chance here, maybe.
Left side. You're in the middle.
No, he's going to have the inside, isn't he? I don't want to be on the middle.
Clear on the left.
Okay, car contact it says.
No damage. Car looks clean.
Okay, not sure what that was. Anyway, we're 6th. So yeah, my second lap in qualifying, I went off track, so didn't quite go as I'd hoped.
They say you cut the cord.
Oh, for goodness sake, come on.
Give up the time going. Clear on the left.
Okay, so I've got to yield. How do I yield and not lose a spot? Like that, I guess. Okay. We managed it. Oh, blimey. I don't know, is that an advantage going wide there? Doesn't feel like it. Maybe they think it is. Their car 8's nearly off there, so we got some work to do here. Let's get back on them. Not have any off tracks and just see what we can do. Tidy up my driving, so I've been a bit wayward, I think. Use the slipstream, try and get back on him, I think. We're getting away from John Trevor behind. So we're getting away. He's as close to me as I am to the guys ahead, so maybe we're not getting away.
There's an incident behind.
Incident behind. We want incidents ahead, really, to help us catch. So I think these two are dropping back a little bit.
Fucking 3 cars, a moron.
10 minutes to go.
See if we can do it a bit better this time. It's a bit better. Okay. Well, they're going a bit quicker now and we're struggling, aren't we? We're going a bit quicker than we have done, but not quick enough, I don't think. Come on, David. We've got to get on to the back of these guys. We're not going to get anywhere. So we've dropped John a bit further this time. That's good.
28.715.
Need to be in the 26s, really. He's going to have a slow down, isn't he? Because he went off track, I think. So leaders are getting away. But we've closed in a little bit on these two. Yeah, we've closed in a lot, haven't we? With them now. So we want to see if we can get by, really. Christ. Why did he go so slow there? Okay, well, we need to get by him, really.
No damage. Car looks clean.
Was he apologising, was he? I don't know what he's doing. Yeah, he is, so... Not sure what's going on with him. Just seemed to be slow all of a sudden in a place where he'd be accelerating normally. Unless he had a slow down and was trying to take it. That may have been what was happening.
9.896. The car in P2 just set the fastest lap. 27.903.
That'd be nice to get by, really.
Car on your left. Clear on the left.
Okay. Being caught here, I think. It's not what we want. Yeah, could really do with getting by here.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 27.864. 28.726.
Where are we going to get by, though? That's the question. That's what I should have done.
Five minutes to go.
Not long left, is there? So we've got someone behind us. We're in a DRS train, aren't we? He's got a slipstream, so have I.
27.532. 28.66. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
Can I get up his inside? Doesn't look like it.
Car on your left.
Yes, I can.
Clear on the left.
Forced him into a mistake. Forced him to defend. And get away from this red car if I can. He seems pretty quick. Bit racy. He's going down to first, isn't he, that guy? I think it's better in second, but...
The leader is running 27.
What do I know?
629. The car in P2 just set the fastest lap. 27.503. 28.338. That was your fastest lap of the
Cause
session.
a crash,
You're in fourth position.
something like that.
Okay. Got him.
You're on the left.
Let's make him go the long way round.
Left side. Clear.
Oh, I just had to nail it to stop him coming through that. Just need to do a couple of clean laps. Not let him get close. He seems very keen. I'm having to defend here. Okay.
28.539.
They can go the long way again.
Right side, clear.
Is he getting up my inside? I think he is. Bugger.
Keep to the left. Stay on the left.
Well, let's see what he does then.
Clear.
See if we can get him back. We've got another fast car behind us. It's annoying.
White flag, stay smooth. The car in
Let's take his slipstream.
just at the fastest lap. 27.421, 29.235.
I think he's a bit quicker than me, this guy, isn't he? Can't keep up with that. Yeah, he's pretty good, isn't he? Doing our best. I think that's it, isn't it? We're not going to get him. Good race, though. Enjoyed that. Good race. Not too many incidents, only a 1x, so pleased with that.
Checkered flag, checkered flag.
Okay, let's come out. Okay, here's the start then. So got away okay this time. I was hoping to maybe get past this red car, but couldn't quite. He had the inside and made the most of it. So yeah, and then 3 wide. That's not what I wanted. So that was all a bit difficult. Oh, and that was the hit. Okay. Right, I don't think that was my fault. Anyway, let's have a look at those incidents. What else have we got then? So that was the guy that was behind me, wasn't it? Oh, goodness. Right. Oh, dear. Yeah, danger. I can see why he's got danger on his car. What's happening here then? So that was me then. Yeah, he just suddenly... I think he must have had a slowdown. I think that's what that was. And then what have we got then? Just an over rotation. Yeah. Easily done, as we know. Now what? Oh dear. Let's have a minute. Number 9. And that was it. Very clean race. Okay. Let's have a look at the results. So that was top split. We managed to get a little bit of safety rating, which is good, and a bit of high rating, which is good as well. Best laps then. 27.4. Blimey. 27.5. They were quick. 28.2. So we were 8 tenths off, weren't we? Yeah. Not bad. He was quicker. Marcellus, Alan. Yeah, he had a quicker lap than me, and he was quicker at the end as well. Yeah, good race. Enjoyed that. Well, let's have a look at what it's done for the championship then. Okay then, so here's the series standing so far, week 2. We're 90th overall, so not too bad, quite happy with that. And that's, let's have a look, we're in Division 2, so where are we in Division 2? We are 40th. Okay, not too bad. Hopefully we'll move up the table, but yeah, quite happy with that. So we'll see. We'll see how we get on. Anyway, if you want to see more of this and see week 3 and what comes up next, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.